Alright, in this video, we are going to set up our project. In your terminal, write the following command: Laravel new and the name of your application. We are going to use YT e-commerce API. Before installing, it will ask us whether we would like to install any starter kit. Because this is an API, we are not going to install any kind of starter kit. So we will choose no starter kit. Next, it will ask us which testing framework do we prefer. We will go with PHP unit. If you would like to work with Pest, you can go ahead and work with Pest as well. Would you like to initialize a Git repository? Yes. This is now going to create the application for us. Now it is asking us which database will your application use. If you are comfortable working with PGSQL or SQLite or SQL Server, you can go ahead and choose it. I'm going to work with MySQL, so I'll choose MySQL. Application is ready. I will now go ahead and open that in my code editor. So cd YT e-commerce API code. This has opened up my code editor, VS Code editor, and I will make some corrections, some changes in my env file. I'll name it as e-commerce API. Change the URL to add the port as well, and add my DB password. I'm keeping this as it is because I don't want to change it anything. Next up is I will go to my PHP unit XML file and uncomment these two lines, because by running the testing, I want the application to use the SQLite database, and the database should be in the memory, and I will change my readme configuration as well. So this is done. Now I will run the migration. Go back to my terminal, PHP artisan migrate. Now it is asking us whether would we like to create the database with this name as well. This name is coming from the env file that we just set up. You can see here, YT e-commerce API, YT e-commerce API. I would say yes. Database created, migration table added, and all the other rest of the tables has also been created now. So if I go and see in my PHP admin and I refresh the database here, you see the YT e-commerce API database has been created, and if I go inside, all the tables have also been created here. Okay, so the basic configuration has been done for the application. Because we are using the Git repository system, I will be sharing the GitHub link of the repository as well down in the description box. That's it for today's video. See you next time. Thank you.